To remove the right rear cover, first remove the TouchMat. Place the unit face down on a soft flat surface with the top projector of the unit overhanging the edge of the table. Remove the Phillips No. 2 security screw at the bottom edge of the cover if the screw is installed in the unit. Press your hands flat on the right rear cover and slide the cover out to the side. Pull the cover off of the PC. The right rear cover has tabs on the side, top, and bottom edges. That slide into slots on the PC. To replace the right rear cover, first place the cover down onto the unit slightly to the side of its final location. Press your hands flat onto the cover and slide the cover inward until all the tabs on the cover are secure in their slots. Replace the No. 2 Phillips security screw at the bottom edge of the cover if the security screw has been installed in the unit.